Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nissan Altima's oil light. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off. Then, turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This powers up the dashboard display without engaging the engine, which is a crucial first step for accessing the maintenance menus. We want to make sure the engine is not running during these initial adjustments. Now, let's find the right menu. Use the arrow or menu buttons typically found on your steering wheel to scroll through the dashboard display. You're looking for the Settings or Maintenance screen. Once there, navigate further to locate specific options like Service or Oil System Control. These menus are where your vehicle tracks its maintenance intervals. With the correct menu open, select the Oil and Filter or Oil Life option. You will then see a reset choice. Press the appropriate button to select Reset and confirm your action. The system will then update, and your oil life indicator should now proudly display 100%, signifying a successful reset. This tells your Altima that fresh oil is now in the engine. To finalize, turn your ignition completely off, then start the engine. The oil light should now be off, confirming a successful reset. If the light remains illuminated, simply go back and carefully repeat all the steps. Remember, performing regular oil changes, typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, is crucial for maintaining your engine's health and ensuring its long-term performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.